So you're looking to find some character models for a banner that you're making or whatever else. For example, like the one I have on screen right now, and you're wondering how you can go about finding these character renders. Well, it is super simple, and you have two or I guess a couple options as to how you can go about doing so. The first involves Google Images. If you just search, let's say 002 render, you will find a lot of different images that could fit your needs. For example, this one right here, we can see a checkerboard backgrounds and the character right there, so you can easily grab that by right click, save image as, and go from there. The one thing to keep in mind is watch out for these right here, where it's a fake transparency, where you can obviously see the checkerboard pattern is baked into the character, and it's not actually a render, therefore you have to cut it out yourself if you actually want to use it. Another thing you can do is if you click, I believe, more or settings, you go over to, tools, get there eventually, and color, transparency, and now it's only going to show transparent ones. Just a couple options you have in terms of Google Images. Another example right here, I just searched anime girl render, and you once again have a lot of different options with the checkerboard in the background indicating that it is in fact transparent and ready for you to use. I personally avoid ones like this, ignoring the white background on there, but where parts of the head are chopped off, because I like to have everything available for me to use, but it's up to personal preference how you want to go about doing that. The second option would be to go to DeviantArt, and here, if you just search anime girl render, you are going to find so many different options, and just scrolling down here, you can see there are a lot to choose from, some of them a bit more NSFW than others. And even better, if you click on one, and you look on the right side, you can see this section called Featured in Collections right there. And then we see three different options here. Let's say we click this one right here. We can open this up, and we can see that this person has saved about 1900 different renders that we can all browse through. And some of these actually look really nice, and I'd probably use on my own for my own work. But that really marks the ends. These are just a couple options you have, and really the best that I've seen for finding renders that you will need for your banners.